Have you ever used an app or website for face swapping? Does the result look natural, especially in the hair and facial expressions? Here, I will share a simple way to perform a face swap so the results look more natural. This is the original image. This is the target face. Now, take a look at the result, especially the hair and facial expression. Let's start the tutorial. Open Zoner AI and log in. After logging in, select AI Editor. Upload the original image as the first image. Then select AI Tools. Next, choose the Edit with Text tool. Upload the target face as the second image. Copy the prompt provided in the description and adjust it according to your needs.
Replace the face of the woman in the first image with the face of the woman in the second image.
Then activate the Generate button and wait for the result. Choose the best result and save it. Good luck!